So first, you want to open the TEMU application right here. And then after you signing into your TEMU account, you want to go to bottom right of your screen and then click right here on the You page, which will take you to your profile page. And then you want to click right here on this Win Reward, or you want to click on the gift icon. And here at the Earn Credits and Free Gifts, you can just choose to get free gifts. And then if you don't have this Earn Credits and Free Gifts icon right here on Win Reward, or that option is gone, most likely it's because your current country does not support TEMU Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Right now, I'm using a connection in United States, so this Earn Credits and Free Gifts or Win Rewards right here is available for me. So you want to change your connection to United States, and then here you can just choose any free gifts that TEMU has provided for you. But for this video, I'm gonna use the second option that called Plinko Freebies. Just click on Play Now, and you can actually choose anything beside these freebies and then just follow up the step. Here on freebies, you can just click right here on the Break the Bone, and there you go, you just got the free gifts. And keep in mind, sometimes there was a deadline to choose the free gifts, and then you can just click on anything. So for example, I'm gonna choose on these Android tablets, just click on Free and Yours, then I can just choose the color, and then click on Pick this free gift now. And there you go. That's how to get free gifts on TEMU. And then if you still have any question about this topic, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.